What's up, YouTube? Hope everyone's having a blessed day today. If this is your first time to the channel, please check out the other videos, and if it's content that you like, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. If you're a returning viewer, guys, I appreciate you so much. So we'll go ahead and get right into this. So if you guys watched my last video, you do know that I installed some Thrashin P54 foot pegs and the Thrashin toe extension peg. So what I wanted to do was come out and do a ride and do kind of an initial review before I put in the last part that I am going to be installing on the bike for this little part of the project here. So initial thoughts on the P54s. So quality, man, if you guys have ever ordered anything from Thrashin and seen the quality and fit and finish and all on their parts that you buy from them, you guys ought to check them out. It is very high quality, very well made parts, and no, I'm not sponsored by any way, so I pay for everything that I get. So just being honest. So if you guys check out their parts and stuff, you'll be pleasantly surprised. They have some really good craftsmanship and quality. Whoever's actually building their parts for them are doing a really good job. So anyway, back to the foot peg. So I bought these because I was looking at some others that had the little screw-in spikes, and as much as I like those, I didn't think that they fit my style quite as much as these did. So I actually had another brand in the cart, and was actually fixing to hit the PayPal button on it and change my mind. And the reason I changed my mind, I went back and looked at these, and knowing Thrashin's quality from of course having their risers and all, I just didn't think I could go wrong. So I ended up buying these. They shipped them to me, and actually it was on their part, they actually sent me the wrong pegs. So I called them up, talked to them out there. They was absolutely great to work with. It was their fault. They picked up the wrong box and sent the wrong ones. They sent me ones for the Dyna, and I needed the one for the M8 Softail that uses the little spring. So anyway, make a long story short, I can't say they overnighted it, but you might as well say that, because I called them Tuesday afternoon and I had them Thursday. So and they're on the other side of the country from me. So anyway, with saying that, customer service and all was great with them, so no problems there. They actually for the inconvenience sent me a set of gloves, and I'll show them to you in the next ride. It's about 53, 54 degrees outside right now, and these gloves are just a lot warmer, but as you can tell, these are Thrashin gloves also. So anyway, back to it. What I think about them. So again, finish, quality, no complaints whatsoever. One thing that I will tell you guys that you may want to consider, I wear a 13 triple E to a 14 shoe, depending on the shoes. So I do have some 14s, I do have some 13, but it all depends on the shoe itself. So I ordered the adjustable clutch linkage, because some of the things that I've I've heard is that when you change over to these motocross type style pegs, that they actually move it up just a little bit, that now you have to angle your foot down to be able to get your toe up under the shift linkage to be able to shift. That's exactly what I have to do. Now, saying that, if you've got more of a, what I call a 9, 10, 11 normal size type foot, then you may not have that problem. You may not need that part. But I was worried that I was going to get it or get all the parts in and then need it and then have to wait on another order. So I just went ahead and ordered it with it. So I'm glad I did. So for me, I think it is a necessary thing for me. So I'm going to end up doing that video, that install. It's really a simple install for that. So don't want to hit this guy. So it's going to be a really simple install, and I'll be able to adjust this my peg, my shifter peg up enough that I can, maybe I won't have to angle my foot down quite so much. I can keep it more of a normal stance. But again, guys, if this is your first time to the channel, please check out the videos. If it's content that you like and you find beneficial, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning viewer, guys, I do appreciate it. Thank you so much for the support, and I hope everyone has an absolutely blessed day. Until next time.